Hey guys, this is Gemini Jets 2018 here today. We are at the Hobby Town in Northbrook, Illinois. You can see it's Pennsylvania, train number 13. Over in the Metra. Here it is. You can see right here. If you can see Virginia on it. And right here, you can see a Metra train. It's an MP36 PH 416, and it is. Yeah, just try to keep the phone this way. I don't want to drop it there. So. Yes, this is 416 Metra. Yes, this is the train station. And you can see right here, there's couple more buildings. This is many sorts of kinds of trains. Yes. Virginia or not. But I don't know, but oh, sorry. Wait. I'm just looking at the train pictures. Oh wait, here. Say goodbye. You know? I'm just taking pictures of trains. I'll have to take a view on the other side. Yes, so thanks for watching. Yes, thank you for watching. Thanks for watching.